Good morning, everyone. Currently a chilly start. Taking a look from our downtown Odessa camera, conditions are rather nice and calm. Currently sitting around 57 degrees. Feels like 57. The humidity is also at 57%. Better than 67, something that the kids say, but otherwise 57 across the board with the feel like alongside temperature and humidity out there this morning out in the city of Odessa. We're going to have sunny conditions across the board today alongside hanging on to some southerly breeze, but still the winds are nice and calm enough as well as reaching that dew point, bringing in some dense fog up into their areas of Seminole, Lamesa, as well, even into Snyder, Sweetwater, into the Key City, along into the northern portions of the big country. So definitely give yourself a little bit of time. This fog could try to sneak in a little bit more south into near the Minot and Odessa region, but I think the best chances of fog are going to remain north. So again, just give yourself plenty of time out there on the roads this morning, but otherwise 59 out into the Tall City, 54 into Monahans. It's rather chilly. Going to need that jacket into Fort Davis around 44 degrees. Temperatures more or less the same into the big country. Concha Valley around 56 into Menard, 52 in Brashaw with 49 out into Robert Lee. Radar is nice and clear this morning. We can see a little bit of that fog actually. It's very hard to see because of the background, but a little bit of some clouded clouds, low-level clouds are present. But otherwise, sunny conditions across the board today. Temperatures are still going to be rather warm. We're talking around 84 into Midland and Odessa, but still comfortable. 89 into Monahans, 90 in Pecos, more of the same across into the big country Concha Valley. We can see how that cold front's really going to start coming in later tonight into tomorrow. 77 up into Mundane, 88 down into Winters. Otherwise, we're going to see that fog and clouds dissipate as we head throughout much of the day. We're going to have those sunnier conditions, warm conditions as well. That cold front's going to start sneaking in, heading into the overnight hours, and it is really going to be breezy heading into that commute. Really, that cold front's pretty much going to be able to pass along into the I-20 corridor heading into tomorrow morning. Maybe a spark-up shower or two along into near the big country Concha Valley, but I think that chance is rather low. Best rain chances are going to remain off into the east, but it's going to be rather breezy and chilly as we head into the next couple days. Temperatures are actually going to be below normal, which we haven't really been below normal in quite a while, with the exception when we had rain. But we'll slowly begin to warm up as we go throughout much of the week, but it is going to be a slow trend, and we're talking some chilly nights ahead. This is how one model takes Wednesday at 7 a.m. heading into Thursday at 7.